Here we are going to see the 5 basic reasons why trade may take place between countries. Let's look into our video. Difference in technology. Trade can be advantageous if it occurs between countries and countries, differ in their technical abilities to produce goods and services. Here, technology basically refers to the techniques which are used to turn resources into outputs. Example, labor, capital, land. Second, differences in resource endowments. Advantageous trade can occur between countries if the countries differ in their endowments of resources. Resource endowments here refers to the skill of workforce, the natural resources available, and the capital stock. Example, machinery, infrastructure, and communication system. In fact, the basis for trade both in pure exchange model and the Heckscher-Holland model is differences in resource endowments. Third, differences in demand. Trade can occur between countries if demands or preferences differ between countries. In fact, individuals in different countries may have different preferences or demands for various products. 4. Existence of economics of scale in production. Economics of scale refers to a production process in which production costs fall as the scale of production rises. This feature of production is also known as increasing returns to scale. Fifth, existence of government policies. Government tax and subsidy programs can be used to generate advantages in production of certain products. In these circumstances, government policies across countries is important for generating trade between countries. Then we move on to next topic, that why do we require trade in the first place? First, get access to larger market. Home market may be struggling due to economic pressures, but trading internationally give you access to practically unlimited range of customers who may have more money available to spend, and because different cultures have different wants and needs, and we can diversify your product range to meet those diverse demands. Second, increased chance of success. The more products you sell, the more profit you make, and overseas trade is an excellent way to increase sales. Third, increased efficiency. Benefit from the economics of scale that the export of your goods brings the business. Any excess capacity in the business can be removed and seasonal peaks and trough can be avoided. Fourth, increased productivity. Statistics states that companies involved in overseas trade can improve their productivity by 34% with no increase in plant size. Fifth, economic advantage. To take advantage of currency fluctuations, countries should export when the value of currency is low against other currencies and reap the very real benefits. Sixth, innovation. Exporting to a wider range of customers will give us access to a wider range of feedback about your products, and this can lead to real benefits. 7. Growth. When there is overseas trade, there is increased opportunity for growth. So, in this video lecture, we learned about why we should trade and what are all the benefits we could be gaining from it. Thank you.